Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all different gestures and motions on ZTE Blade A72S. To do this, we'll need to open our settings. Right here find the features tab, and there's gestures and motions here. Now let's check how all of the options work. First one being double tap the screen to wake. And if you enable it and put your phone in lock, then you can double tap and it should wake up your screen. Next option is three fingers swipe down for a screenshot. Use your fingers like that from top of the screen. Try not to open a notification bar like I'm doing all the time, and this should make a screenshot like that. Next option is raise to wake. If you enable it, you can pick your phone when it's locked, and then when it's in your hands, it will wake up without pressing any buttons. Auto answer, and here if you receive any calls, you can pick and lift your phone to the ear to answer the call automatically. Pick up the phone to lower ringtone volume. If you enable it and you receive a call, then next time you pick up your device while you're receiving a call, the volume of a ringtone should lower down automatically. There's also pocket mode. If the phone is in your pocket and not in a silent mode, it will vibrate and ring at full volume when a call comes. So this should detect when it's placed in the pocket. Snooze dismiss alarm. If you enable it, there's two different options. Tap to snooze. When alarm goes off, tap the screen with 3 or more fingers to snooze it. The alarm may go off again depending on your snooze settings. Next one is turn over to dismiss. When alarm goes off, turn the phone over to dismiss it. No, that's easy. Next is change to earpiece, and if you enable it, it works kind of like automatic switching to receiver. So put the phone up to your ear to turn off speaker phone when you're in a call. Next is shake to turn on flashlight. If you enable it, then pick up your phone and shake it. It should enable a flashlight. Let's click on try it, maybe then it will work. Okay, I always find this feature on any phone very bad, as it never works for me. Let's try it once more. Yep. So this doesn't work for me. You can try it if you like. And that's basically all of the gestures and motions you get on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.